Hi, and welcome to HEALOR Learn series. And today we're going to talk about hypertension. Did you know that 122 million or 47% of you adults are estimated to have hypertension? So what is hypertension? It is a common condition in which pressure inside of arterial walls is higher than normal. The diagnosis consists of two readings of blood pressure that are 130 over 80 millimeters of mercury or higher. What are causes for hypertension? These are due to risk factors such as sedentary lifestyle, alcohol, obesity, or high cholesterol. Other causes can be underlying medical conditions, but can still be greatly prevented. Another fact of hypertension is that it's known as the silent killer because it may show no symptoms at all. So undiagnosed and uncontrolled high blood pressure can increase the risk of serious conditions such as heart failure, kidney damage, stroke, vision loss, and several others. So prevent the risk and start with a checkup.